Hello, see how beautiful it is, just mesmerizing. And today, this is evening here, and I'd like to talk to you about something which I was thinking today about. And I thought it's important to talk to you about this. Welcome to today's episode, and today we are going to talk about vision. Now, many of us have a vision, and many of us maybe are finding it. What is vision? Simply said, it is your ability, your skill that helps you see your path leading towards your goal, which further leads you towards your purpose. So, if you have vision, you have your path, your goal, and your purpose clear. Let's talk a little more about vision today. Well, vision is of actually two kinds as I understand. One of the visions is what we call the wide view. The wide view is where you have this whole 360-degree of view where you consider your environment, your situations is with respect to yourself and see how you impact your environment and how your environment impacts you. This is also inclusive of the peripheral vision you have, the wide angle vision. It's important to have that. And then it is really important to have the other kind of vision, which I would call the focused vision. The vision that really brings you in focus, where you can see your goals clearly, you can see your path clearly, and this is done by deleting all the information that the wide view has presented, keeping only the important, most important elements of that, and then moving towards your goal. Now, when you're skilled enough to have the wide vision and the focused vision, you know you also have a choice, which is most important. Choice helps you alter this from the wide angle vision to the focused vision and vice versa as per context. Let's say a particular context requires deep focus. So you have the ability to switch into deep focus state where the vision shows you only your goal clearly. And there would be times where you really want to see what's happening around you. You want to impact the world. You want to really change things. That's where you include the whole wide angle view, the 360-degree vision of yours. Now, with both these kinds of vision, you know you can always succeed in whatever goals you have. This is your coach Ashish Sehgal, and let's meet soon. Thank you so much.